In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Getquin account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect so the process is smooth and intentional. Before we begin, a quick heads up. Deleting an account is usually permanent. Your portfolio, activity, and preferences may be removed and can't be recovered, so take a moment to save anything important, like screenshots of your holdings or performance, before you proceed. Start by opening Getquin and heading to your investor portfolio, which is the main dashboard you see after signing in. If you're on a desktop browser, this is typically the fastest way to access all the settings in one place, but the flow is very similar on mobile as well. Make sure you're logged into the account you actually want to delete to avoid any confusion later. From the dashboard, look toward the top of the screen for your profile icon. It's often in the upper right corner and may display your avatar or initials. Click that profile icon to open your account menu. This menu gives you quick access to personal options, and it's the gateway to where you can manage every part of your profile. In the menu that appears, select Settings. This takes you into the central hub for your preferences, privacy, and account controls. If you don't see settings immediately, scroll the menu. It's usually listed clearly alongside other profile options. Once you're in Settings, choose Account Settings. This section focuses specifically on your account details, including security and the option to close or delete the account. Take a second to confirm you're in the right place before moving on. Within Account Settings, look for the option labeled Delete Account and click it. At this point, expect a confirmation screen. You may be asked to confirm your choice, select a reason, or verify your identity with your password or a code. Read the on-screen notes carefully so you understand what will be removed and whether anything remains accessible for a limited time. When you're sure, confirm the deletion. The platform may sign you out immediately, and data removal can take some time to complete in the background. That's it. You've navigated to your dashboard, opened your profile, entered settings, moved to account settings, and finalized the delete action. If the option doesn't appear right away, try refreshing the page or updating the app, then revisit the same path. And remember, only proceed when you're certain you no longer need the account or its data.